Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hard Use Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change your speaker placement for the best sound optimization in your app. Here I do have the MARSHALL KILBURN III, and here we are now in the MARSHALL Bluetooth. Here we have to scroll down till we see placement compensation, and we have to tap that. Here we have a quick survey. Mostly our speaker will automatically detect if we have our speaker close to an edge or close to the wall, but we can answer it manually if something is wrong. Here, as you can see, is the speaker close to an edge? No. Yes. For me it's no, but as you can see here, I have a quick description. For example, on the floor at the center of the table, and yes is the front of the speaker is flush to the edge of table or shelf. So for example, left and right side doesn't matter, only here the front. Is the speaker close to the wall? Here I do have no freestanding, but here we have is a wall or is a corner. As you can see here, we do have the description too. There is a wall closer than 20 centimeters, 9 inches, a wall. The speaker is closer than 20 centimeters / 9 inches from a wall, or here the same from the walls. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye!